Today's a big day. Can we see your car? Hey, that one's not yours. That one's Ethan's. Can we see your car? Let's see it. This is the winning car right there. Looks pretty sweet, huh?
We just lubed the tires up again one last time. Oh, look, it's still going. That's what we wanted right there.
Brady, what did we wake up to? What did you come wake me up and tell me?
To this.
This? Snow! And it's still snowing, isn't it?
Yeah, there's like 100 pieces of snow inside the pool.
Oh, 100 pieces in the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. This is sad. I mean, to say this is the most snow we've had yet this year is sad because it's still not even that much.
Yeah, it is.
They said we were only going to get 1 to 2 inches and we're already past 2 inches and it's still snowing. You can't really tell too much on the camera. I guess you can see it a little bit. It's still snowing and it is going to snow all day. So that's pretty cool.
It snowed all night.
Yeah? Are you excited to go to the race?
Yeah.
Guess who's gonna come see you?
Pop.
Yep. Who told you?
Dad.
Dad ruined the surprise.
And Pop and Dad said maybe you can go to his house.
I did not say that part.
Dad said he didn't say that.
That's up to Pop.
Oh, you're a stinker. Well, happy Saturday. Hopefully Brady wins the race. Give this video a big thumbs up for Brady winning the race or placing, even placing. But it's either way, it's fun and we're gonna have a good time.
Just go see how fast
And Brady knows that not everybody wins and not to get that upset about it. Gracie is going to be leaving around 3 to go to a birthday party with one of her friends that was in her birthday party
I don't want to be a
video. If you haven't seen, yeah, Nevaeh. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will have that linked up here in the iCard above. And we are off to go travel in the snow. I'm kind of excited. We haven't been able to play in snow in a long time. So it's slightly exciting. So pretty out here. It's like exciting to actually have snow. I never thought that I would be like this excited to have snow this kind of late in the winter.
It's the first snow.
But it's the first snow we've had. Like I watch a lot of YouTubers out in Utah, plus we have family in Utah, and they're like, oh, we got all this snow, we're sledding, snowmobiling, and skiing. I'm like, well, we don't have nothing. We didn't even have a white Christmas.
The only way you can go snowmobiling is you gotta drive all the way to the UP.
Right? We might have a white Easter. Actually, Easter's late this year. It's like, oh, it's on our anniversary, April 21st. You're gonna be going next?
Yeah.
You excited? Here we go. What do you got?
Original design.
I
would call it the most delicious design.
The best wedge. Good job. Pretty sure the snow is done for the day. We only got what, maybe 4 inches? 4 or 5? 5 inches?
65.
Not that much. I would have really liked a lot more because we haven't had that much snow lately. But Brady had a pretty good day. He came in, how'd it go?
Just one time I got in first place.
One time he got in first place. They do 6 races.
6 races, yeah.
6 races, and the first time he was third, and they do it out of 3 cars. First time he was third, then second, then second, then second, then first, then third. His average about 3.7 seconds. So not too bad. Brady, do you want to show the awards you got? and explain them? What was your medal for?
For
Participation.
Yeah. And I got a thing that says my name, and it's for I got the best wedge.
Best wedge.
Best
so
wedge.
best shape.
Except it looks
it's 'cause
like
it's
a
the
wedge of
shape.
cheese.
Yep.
No, he said last year the guy with that one best wedge, his looked like a piece of cheese.
Right. So that's pretty cool. That would have been cool to see. There was some very unique ones there for sure. And then Brady has his belt, and instead of patches now they do these little belt loops. So Brady got 4 today.
Yep.
So that was pretty cool.
Fun on the Run adventure, Build It Up, Knock It Down adventure, King of the Jungle adventure, and Gizmos and Gadgets adventure.
High five. Now where are you going?
Pop's house.
You going to Pop's house?
Yeah.
Where's this kid going?
He's going to work.
He's going to work. Gracie's at a birthday party. And what are we going to do?
Woo!
Nothing to do. Watch a movie. Do you want his chocolate milk?
Yeah.
And then Ethan, we've got so much food here. I'm like, why is there footsteps at the door? Mister, oh, I ordered some Jimmy John's. Did they get here really fast?
No.
What?
No, yeah. It was like, orders on the way, 11:55, and then it's 12:30, and I'm like, where is my food?
We live like we live like a mile.
Yeah.
Well, the roads were kind of bad. They're getting better.
They had a truck.
Ethan's like, I don't care. You're supposed to be here fast and I'm hungry. Now he's got to go work. Do you think he'll be busy?
No.
Nobody comes in the snow?
No.
Well, it quit snowing now.
Last week, I think it was, or the week before, when it was like, it was
Icy?
Wednesday night, and then we had no school the next Thursday when we came back from break.
Oh, yeah.
We closed at 8:30.
Because there was nobody there. Jason and I are going to go run these 2 off to where they have to go. And then I don't know what we're going to do. I really need to clean bathrooms, but that doesn't sound fun to me. I don't think I want to do that. I still have 2 more days to the weekend because it's a 3-day weekend. So I think that I'll do some cleaning tomorrow or maybe Monday. I just don't want to do it today. I'm lazy. I'm tired. We've been at that thing all day. That was crazy.
Yeah.
I'm glad Brady's in things, but I don't like going to things like that all day. And it was really loud with a bunch of little kids. Have a good day at work, Ethan.
Thanks.
Ethan's not allowed to drive in the snow. Bye.
He could if you let him drive the truck.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Look at him, he's like, I'm gonna run in here really fast. Good morning, it is Sunday now. We are continuing Saturday to Sunday in this one vlog because the kids all left us and Jason and I aren't that great fun to just vlog us. Brady is home from Grandpa's now. Did you have a fun time? And he is super excited to show what he got when he went to Grandpa's. What'd you get?
Some Ryan's toys.
Ryan's toys. And so you guys took the last few, so you got to take the box?
Yeah.
All right, show us what you got. Ooh, what's that one? Taekwondo, Ryan? Did you have that one? Oh, you do? So now you have 2 of them? Okay, what's the next one? Just Ryan.
Wait.
That's what it says, just Ryan. Let me see.
Mine is a rare.
Oh, it's a rare?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Except it doesn't say rare on it, except that one's a rare. Because it has the silver pants.
Whoa, because he has silver pants, he's a rare?
Except for some reason, right there on that Ryan one, his pants is black.
Oh yeah, they are. What's the next one? Whoa, he's pretty cool. You haven't had him yet, right? Nope. You did? I don't remember you having this many Ryan squishies.
I got that one for Christmas.
Oh, did ya?
That one.
Okay, so what's the next one? Taekwondo Ryan again?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's set him up here. Which one is that one called? Let's see. Red Titan Ryan. So do you have them all now? Or which one are you? Oh, you don't have the frog or the panda?
It's not a frog, it's a Gus the Gummy Gator.
Oh, okay. So you don't have that one yet?
I don't have that one or that one.
Oh, man.
That one is a rare, probably because it's big.
Think so?
Yeah.
Well, we'll just have to maybe get some other time and see if we find any more.
What if I get 1,000?
Oh my goodness, that's a ton of Ryan toys. He has all kinds of other toys. He has jellies.
Yeah. The Joey ones are the same like these, except they're tiny.
Are they?
The Jelly is inside of these.
Oh,
There's
gotcha.
jelly inside of these.
Well, you better keep them away from copper. Oh, they squeeze, I see. So Brady's pretty excited he got all those toys. That was nice. Thanks, Grandpa. We are making, it is so cold. It is 5 below. We have a wind chill advisory alert for tonight. It's supposed to get 15 to 20 below tonight. There isn't any school tomorrow anyways because it's a holiday, but if there was, I don't think there would have been school because of the wind chill. We're gonna run to Meijer because I'm gonna get stuff to make a big pot of soup because it's a cold day. And what goes better with a nice big pot of soup? Homemade bread. So we got our bread in here because it's nice and sunny. Nope, don't touch the towel. It's rising. So while it's rising, we will go to Meijer and go get Gracie.
Yeah.
Just got back from the store. Ethan wanted to try these Oreo the most stuff. 110 calories in one.
They're huge.
I think that's too much cream. I think it would make me sick.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh my god.
Those are huge.
These are huge. And that's a lot of cream.
Is that too much cream? No, Ethan, you think they're good? What do you think, Brady? You like them?
It's pretty good.
It's a lot of cream. Ethan's got to go to work. Then he's going to a friend's house. It don't even stay together.
Sell the cream now.
Yeah, just forget the cookie part now. Just sell a tub of cream.
Sell it like in
Ice cream container or something.
Yeah.
Just spoon it out.
Is it a lot? Holy crap.
Wow.
Try one.
It's actually pretty good.
I know.
Sure. It's so fake looking.
Look at Brady.
They're easy to get these off.
I bet.
Oh no, he's gonna be bouncing off the walls here in a minute.
Well, really good.
Are they? All right, so the bread has been rising for how long? 3 hours?
Probably 3 hours, yeah.
3 hours. And it was very warm in my office, especially we had sun shining today. And I turned up the heat and I put it on this bench where the heater is, and it really rose. Look at how this bread got. Woo! Now we're gonna punch it down and make some rolls.
Oh, that's really big.
Isn't that huge?
Yeah. How much bread is that? Like 400?
We gotta punch it down.
I do?
All right, Brady wants to punch the bread. When I was a kid, I used to love punching the bread down.
So,
My Uncle Josh and I used to fight over who got to punch it. So punch it right in the middle.
right now.
Yep.
Punch it right down. There. Good job. Thank you. Rolls are done. Dinner's ready. Look at them babies.
For a while, but pull right up.
Ooh.
This one because it's
Mama makes
That's
some
fine,
good
you can have the
bread.
biggest roll. It don't matter.
Gracie wants the biggest roll. But not only did we make rolls, we made a loaf of bread too. So proud. Here's the bacon to put on top of, this is actual pork jowl. And it goes on top of this potato soup. This was my grandma's homemade potato soup recipe. There's a bay leaf still in it.
The real deal.
And it's so amazing. And she actually taught me right before she passed away on how to make it perfect where the cream doesn't curdle. And I'm so proud of myself that the cream does not curdle. Gracie is absolutely starving. She's home now. How was your birthday party? What was this thing you guys did? Was it kind of like the yoga type thing, but like,
No, it's
oh.
aerial silk.
Area's silk dancing.
Kinda, I don't know. But like, you have the
circus stuff.
Yeah. So you had the curtains coming from the ceiling, and then there was a mat under you. And one of the ones that I think I actually did pretty good on them. But the climbing one, where you have both the curtains together, you wrap your foot around, and then you have to have it high, and then you jump, and you have to land your other foot on top and climb up it. And it actually got pretty far.
Sweet. Sounds fun. We might have to go check it out sometime.
Yeah, they said they're doing classes, and I kind of want to do them.
Oh, then we'll check it out. We are going to eat some dinner now and call it a night since this has been into a 2-day. Oh, we better turn this off. We also made some buffalo chicken dip.
You should unplug it too so the house doesn't catch on fire.
It's not gonna catch on fire. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time we post videos. We post videos Monday through Friday, and we will see you guys in our next video. Thanks a lot for watching today. Don't forget to check out all of our social media. It'll be linked in the description below. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. We like to do Insta stories, pictures, things like that. Catch you on our next video. Thanks a lot again, and remember, always look on the bright side. Good night.